Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to tell when the garlic is ready to harvest. Here's a clip from the show. And then the garlic down here, I wanted to show you what the end of the cycle looks like. I mean, it looks like it just like dropped dead, but it does this. This is what the end of the garlic looks like. So then the bulb will be down in here. This is the actual garlic bulb, and this is now ready. We could take that to the house, rinse the dirt off, and then we let that sit out to dry. It needs to cure the skin on the outside here for a couple of days, maybe a week, and then that's ready for storage. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 19. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.